Hi, Brad here. Another quick video on the MyLGB management portal. This time we're going to be looking at the report functionality where you can pull those reports, which shows the life and usage of your subscription and how your users are interacting with it. If we click on the reports tab here on the left, you'll see it opens up a bunch of different reports. Let's look at the alert report. This gives us an overview of all of the alerts that have been raised across my organization. See what alert type was raised, which device raised it, where they were located, whether it was cancelled or responded to, in what time, and also what part of the escalation level that got to. We can export this and we can do what we want with that data to try and improve some of those areas where maybe alerts been raised regularly or where people are taking longer to respond than we'd like. Device locations report. This shows us where all of our devices are and where they were last seen and the location where they were last displayed. The evacuation list, very useful if you do have to evacuate the building. You can see who's been seen in the last 180 minutes. You can make sure everyone is then accounted for outside of the building. And finally, our hardware report. This gives us the life and the battery life of all of those bits of hardware that we have connected to our license. We can see which devices they've been assigned to and whether we need to think about replacing the batteries or not. Very quick jump into reports. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.